Map like a pro in minutes. 4 brow style stencils to choose from. Apply a small amount of oil only to brow hair to prevent pulling when removing adhesive stencil. Use the ruler to mark a center point and arch points on both sides. Draw lines extending the center point and both arch points. Place the full cutout stencil frame over the natural brow position. For symmetry, measure from the closed eyelid to the arch point 4 centimeters on both sides. Mark a horizontal line above the stencil on the forehead. Peel off adhesive hairstroke stencil. Align stencil with the horizontal line. Brush on hair strokes. Peel off. Reveal the perfect strokes, even and balanced, like a pro. Another way to use full brow cutout stencil. Peel off. Place on forehead. Trace the shape and outline the frame. Now there's a perfect frame to perform your shading skills. 4 different style hairstroke and full brow cutout stencils to choose from. Elegant kit contains 160 stencils and all you need to map like a pro. Perfect results in no time. Single-use stencils, under $1. Visit stencils.beautytip.pro to learn more.